And we actually do something on Friday nights called family game night. So I immediately thought, hey, this will be great for my family. Let's jump on it. Being able to find something to work with all the kids that has been challenging during this time, and I recognized when I saw that and the things that the kid offered, I thought it would be great for our 11-year old, our 9-year old, our 5-year old, and our 3-year old. I was strolling through my Facebook and I recognized them on the PES Energize page. That's Pulaski Electric System here in Pulaski, Tennessee. We got this little cute matching game of cards. So it encouraged coordination and watching what was going on with the cards. And then it had some coloring sheets inside of it for each kiddo. And then it had general points in there of how to save, money during this time and save electricity. So when I opened it up, I was like, they're going to be so excited. So I had it laid out on the table. And it was within minutes when they walked in the door and saw it. We immediately started playing the matching games, and we have actually incorporated it into several times when we do family game night. It's actually encouraged them to try to work with more memory games and stuff like that. So it's been a real win for us. Oh yes, I did. I actually got on there, shared it on Facebook. So it was just really helpful, and we really enjoyed it. We actually played a little round of it other night.